Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock Realme 14 Pro 5G if you forget your password. Okay, so let's begin. At first I'm going to say that please don't try to unlock someone else's phone because that's a crime. Only try to unlock your phone. So, there are a few options how we can unlock the phone. So first, we can use the Google Find My Device. So simply get into your Google and type Find My Device. Okay, get in, click on Sign In Now. Okay, select your Google account. For now, just let me type the password, so wait a little bit. Okay, I'm connected. As you can see, now we have Find My Device. For now, let's pretend that this phone is locked, but you can perform this action from any type of device. So it doesn't need to be this phone exactly. So click on your Realme and get into Find My Device. Find My Device web. But first, I forgot to say, your phone needs to be connected into the internet and your location needs to be turned on. So now simply click on Realme 14 Pro, and here you can select the factory reset device. This will simply reset your phone into the factory settings, but please remember that all of your data will be erased from the phone. So you can create a backup. Also on our channel we have a video how to do it, so you can search for it. And now when you simply click on factory reset device, click on next and follow the instruction, the phone will be resetted. So, and you will be able to set it up again as a new phone and start using it again. So now we can perform a reset using the recovery mode. So to perform this, if you are in this screen and you can't type your lock screen, first we need to simply power off the phone. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, and now we want to hold the power button and the volume down button until the Realme logo shows up. So let's perform this action. Okay, keep on holding until the recovery mode shows up. Okay, and now we have this menu. Here simply we select the language, and to move around this menu we use the volume buttons. If you click volume down, you go down, volume up, you go up. That's simply. And if you want to confirm the selected option, simply click on the power button. So let's pick English, click on the format data. Now enter this code on your keyboard. Okay, and now simply click on format. Okay, the process is finished. Now the phone will be turned on back again. And also, if you want, you can go into the authorized center when you bought the phone. But if you want to do this, please bring with yourself the proof of purchase, the valid identification, or details about the device, such as the email number. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.